Hello friends, today's topic HDFC Bank revised target price. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. India's largest bank in terms of market cap announced results 2 days back. Results were good, but certain parameters such as net interest margin, which is a margin that is profit made by lending money to borrowers, was lower than expected due to merger with HDFC. HDFC only provides low-cost housing loans. So, analysts and investors are disappointed that the company's performance is still not stabilized after the merger with HDFC. HDFC Bank shares fell by 8.4% and another 3% today. Analysts are hoping and expecting that by the next 2 quarters, the business will stabilize and normalize after the merger with HDFC. Based on the results, stock market analysts have revised the target price upwards or downwards for HDFC Bank stock. Following is the revised target price of these stocks. This will help investors to understand what they can expect from HDFC Bank stock in the coming 1 year. Revised target price of HDFC Bank for the next 1 year. Brokerage firm Morgan Stanley. Target before results 2110. Target after results 2110, no change. Kotak Securities, the target before results 1800, target after results 1860, upgraded. Nomura 1750 versus 1625, downgraded. CLSA 1900 versus 2025, upgraded. JP Morgan 1900 versus 1900, Jeffries 2100 versus 2000, downgraded. Investec 1620 versus 1625, upgraded marginally. Motilal Oswal 2000 has become 1950 after results, and that is downgraded. Axis Capital 2030 versus 2030, BNB Paribas 2210 and revised price 2410, upgraded. Goldman Sachs 2042 versus 2002, downgraded. Citi 2110 versus 2050, again downgraded. Some brokerage companies have upgraded the target price, whereas some have downgraded, some have not revised it up or down. On an average, target price before and after results is around 1965. Brokerage companies are not expecting much downside from current levels since it has already fallen quite low. But at the same time, upside in the stock may be slow and gradual over the next 1 year. Here is an announcement regarding our free webinar. Topic is how to start trading and investing in stock markets. Stock markets were at the level of 22,300 or so and now come down to around 21,500. That means now there is a chance to trade as well as invest, but if you don't know anything about stock market, trading and investing is extremely dangerous because you may lose money. The only way you can learn about stock market is a systematic study. Regarding that, we are conducting a webinar on Sunday, 21st January from 3 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. Cost is 499. However, for the first 75 participants who are interested, it is absolutely complimentary. Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates need not attend, and the seats are limited to the first 150 only. You may be curious to know what are the contents. First topic is basic analysis to invest for long term. If you don't know how to analyze the stocks, investing will be futile and loss making, and hence we are teaching you fundamental analysis, and by investing for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years, could be you land up with few crores as a retirement corpus, children education fund, etc. Now basic analysis for stock trading means you are going to trade on a regular basis, and this is called as positional trade. We are going to teach you all about the positional trade, and you will be able to create few thousands extra in a month to offset your expenditure. One of the most important topic of webinar is how to plan retirement fund. children expenses so that children education and marriage becomes absolutely free. We could have given the link of the webinar directly here, but in order to gauge your interest, we are asking you to follow one particular procedure, and that is send an email to successdigest@gmail.com and your name and mobile number with your subject Kannada webinar. One important thing to note, more than 300 people have already asking for the details, but we have not sent them the details pending this particular email. So the seats are limited to first 150. I am hoping that on Sunday you will come and take the advantage of this particular webinar and will start taking an entry into stock markets by being able to understand all about trading and investing. Now continuing the matter of the video. HDFC Bank shareholders will need to wait patiently for the consolidation to end and the stock price to start an uptrend. This is very similar to what happened with ITC shares in 2021 and 22. HDFC Bank shares have underperformed the overall market for around 3 to 4 years, and as of now, once upon a time, it was a favorite of all investors. At the end of the video, here is the question. Which of these banks was started as a government-owned institutions? Four choices in front of you. IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.